Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure to watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So we had a pretty nice move, counter trend move on all the dollar pairs yesterday. Nice breaks of structure. I think that pretty much confirms on this time frame that this whole wave down is complete. If we zoom out, this whole wave down is more than likely complete. That means that I think we're going to make a crescent that goes probably someplace between the 38 and 78%. We have one impulsive up, probably a good chance it's already a wave A. There's a good chance that we're already in a wave B, which will most likely make a higher low for the wave B. And I think there's a very good likelihood we will end up pushing up to at least one of these mid-range Fibonacci levels for a wave C. Now that we have these breaks of structure, I would definitely recommend logs. And hopefully we can learn and earn at the same time whether this turns into a little ABC like this and that continues the downtrend, or whether it makes a much larger ABC crescent, like a crescent to the whole move down on the daily time frame. Either way, now that we have the breaker structure, I would recommend logs, especially if you are trading on the short time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.